In this video, I'm going to take you through how to firstly register as a new user on Calpendo, and then secondly, if you are an administrator, how to approve that user. To begin with, from the front page on Calpendo, we click on Register New User. On the next screen, we see the authentication options which have been enabled for this Calpendo. If your Calpendo supports single sign-on, this option will be available here for your users to authenticate through. For the purposes of this demo, we're going to carry on creating an account using the local authentication method, where the account will then reside on Calpendo itself. On the new user registration page, a new user will need to supply the login name which they will use to log in, password and confirmation of that password, and at least the given name and family name, as well as an email address. Once the new user clicks register, this will trigger an email to the administrators of the Calpendo to inform them about the new user registration request, as well as an email back to the user saying that they have submitted a new user registration request for this Calpendo. For the purpose of this demo, we will not need to view those emails, but will instead carry on and approve this new user on the website itself. In order to approve a new user, firstly go to the admin menu and then go to user requests. Click on the user to bring up their details. There are two key things we need to do with their account in order to approve them. Firstly, we need to assign some roles to them. If this user is going to be an administrator, they will need to have the admin role, as well as the user and the guest role, so that when they are approving other users, they have that role themselves in order to give it away. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to give the user role to this user. The second thing we need to do is assign a status to the user. Now, when you are approving a user for the first time, the status to apply will be normal. To complete the approval process, click Save. The user will receive a notification that their user request has been approved, and they will now be able to sign into the Calpendo site. Calpendo will also allow you to add users to user groups, control what they can and can't do through permissions and rules, as well as add additional properties in order to store further information about your users. If you would like further information, please visit the support section at www.expredo.com or email us at support@expredo.com.